Hi everyone, for this assignment you're going to be using the Glass Menagerie and two other sources to create an annotated bibliography. Alright, so this would be theoretically something you could use to write a persuasive essay. You're not writing the essay, you're just going to be telling me what your topic for that essay would be. You're going to create a thesis statement for it, and then you're going to do a little research and tell us how you would use the sources you would find. But you're not writing an actual essay. So, an annotated bibliography. You can watch this YouTube video for a little more information, but basically it's a list of resources that an author uses to support his or her ideas in writing. It's got to be formatted in the MLA format because that's what we are doing because we're writing using literature. And then the annotation is a paragraph that summarizes the source and the ideas in it. All right, so when you put the bibliography information in the paragraph, that gives you an annotated bibliography, and we're going to show you some examples. So another helpful link is the English OWL at Purdue University. These examples right here, this link will help you and you can see what it looks like. So here's the format. All right, you have your MLA heading, your name, my name, classes, and then the date. Then you have your thesis statement. Then you have your first citation, which for this one is going to be, and I'm going to put it in here for you, it's going to be the Glass Menagerie. Okay, the book. If I could spell it. All right, so in this one, you're going to have one paragraph. Tell me a little bit about the Glass Menagerie, What's it about? Then tell me how you feel about it. Did you like it? Didn't you? Why or why not? Back it up. Then tell me how you can use that source in your writing. So you've already come up with a thesis statement. So whatever your thesis statement is should directly correlate to paragraph 3. Okay, now you're going to be working on finding two sources on your own. All right, to help you write about the Glass Menagerie and whatever your thesis statement is. So you're just going to do the same thing for each of those sources. You're going to tell me what the source is about, tell me what you think about it and why, and then how you can use it in your writing, and then you're going to do that again, and that's it. All right, so these steps below, which I will be looking at, because they're going to help you, will help you complete this assignment. So the first day, this is what you want to do, Monday, March 5th. You're going to choose your topic. All right, so you have 3 topics to choose from. Which one are you going to choose? All right. Then, based on the topic, you're going to create your thesis statement. Now, we've talked about how to create a thesis statement by responding to a prompt, which basically this is what you're doing. So you want to make sure that you answer the question, use words from the prompt, and back it up. All right, then you're going to create a thesis statement. All right, and we talked about this in class. So here are those steps. What is the topic? You can just copy and paste it from above. Then you want to answer it. What's your claim? All right, make sure you've answered it, use some examples from the text, and then edit it. Make sure it looks great, and then rewrite it here. So that's Monday. All you're doing is writing your thesis statement. Tuesday, you're going to do your first annotation using the Glass Menagerie. This isn't going to be hard because you've read the Glass Menagerie. So here's everything you need to create a book citation. This is what it should look like. We have the author's last name. Then they have the first name, title of the book, publisher, the date it was published. All of that stuff is right up here. Okay. Then you're going to put that here. Now you're going to have that you have your citation. Let's do your annotation for this source. You can use it to fill in the chart. You'll have your thesis statement, your MLA citation. Tell me what the Glass Menagerie was about. Did you like it? Why or why not? And then, how could you use this source in your argument? Refer back to your thesis statement. All right, then Wednesday, we're going to use Galileo. The password for Galileo, if you want to get started on this, is Congress. So it's going to ask you that when you click on this site here. All right, and you're going to use and we can do this in class, so I suggest you come to class for help with this, all right? But we'll help you find sources for the Glass Menagerie for whatever your thesis statement is. All right, so once again, put your thesis statement here. You can copy and paste it. Create your MLA citation with whatever you find. In Galileo, you need to read the article. Cool thing about Galileo is it will cite it for you. All you have to do is click Cite right there, and it'll pull up the citation for you, and you can just copy and paste it. Then, tell me what the article or whatever it is you use is about. Did you think it was good? Why or why not? And how are you going to use this source in your argument? Same thing on Thursday. You're going to find one more source and do the exact same thing again. That's it. So Friday, the annotated bibliography is due. I'm okay if you turn it in on Monday. You take the weekend to finish it up. That's fine with me. All you're going to be doing is copying and pasting what you did in the steps above down here below. Come to class. The more you come to class and get help, the easier this will be.